Hello everyone. Now we are gonna unbox this huge parcel. As said previously in our videos, this is from one of our customers, not from a dealer. What we regularly purchase. So let's quickly open up. So inside we have one parcel, and there is some packets. So let's quickly open this small one. So inside there is a packet. So let's quickly open this. Okay. So let's quickly check what we have. You can see almost all our 50 paise coins. You can see, and so let it be aside. Let's quickly open other parcels also. And inside we have some coins in holders. So let's quickly open that also. This is a Bahrain coin, and Singapore, and UK, Canada, and this is UK £1. You can see clearly, UK £1, and this is $1 of Australia. This is, I think it's commemorative. So let's check afterwards. So other than this, we have some coins in a packet. So let's check that also. So you can see this is a Kuwait 50 fils coin, and this is Oman 10 Baisa coin, and this is British India 1 paise. And last we have Philippines 1 peso of 2000 here. So that's all. And finally we are here with the huge one. And let's open up. Inside we have another packet. So let's quickly open that also. So here is the product. So let's open this. So let's take this. Actually, okay, this is a normal 1 rupee banknote of 1985. You can see here. So let it be. This is from the royal family of UK. So let's open this, and here we have, first let me show you the certificate of authenticity, coronation jubilee coin and banknote cover, edition limit 500. So there are only 500 piece in this kind of edition, so one among 500, so it's very rare. You can see what are others, and here we have the £5 banknote, Bank of England, and a coin. This is a, I think it's 5 shilling. Yes, you can see the at the bottom, 5 shillings commemorative coin, and 5 stamps. You can see it's a 5 stamps, and if we take this out, you can see it clearly. Written Queen Elizabeth II Coronation Jubilee. At the back you can see the coins backside, a beautiful crown decoration, and the backside of £5 note. So this is a special event recognition, and it's the coin is really huge, guys. You can see my thumb finger and the coin. So this is very huge and very beautiful in condition. So this set the customer wanted to sell to us, and we were interested, so we bought this. And among the 500 editions, the number which we have is 464. You can see here C464. So this is the 464th piece among the 500. So at the back it's plain and empty, but this actually this album like edition, it feels really high grade. You can feel the texture clearly, it's really high grade. So sooner these this set of royal family will be on sale on our website, so stay tuned for the next sale. So that's all, guys. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more similar contents.